Before we get in the video, please like, make sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications, go ahead and leave a comment below, and click on the how you can help, which brings up the Family Friendly Game website and gives you lots of ideas how you can help us. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Just tell me when you're ready.
to cover chat?
Just tell me when you're ready and I'll switch it back to you.
Hey, whenever we're ready, we can.
Camera's back on you.
We all ready?
Yep.
Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make a pendant, which you can put it on a cord to be a necklace, or you can do it as a zipper pull. You still good? Okay.
I'm just zooming in on.
Okay. You can do it with resin and glitter, or you can do it with glitter glue. You can do it different ways. I think I didn't. I'm going to use one that I've already made, but I'm going to show you how I did it. They're just little pendant pieces. You get these, from Hobby Lobby, Walmart, any kind of craft store would have them. The main thing you want to make sure of is that they have a lip. I don't know, can you see the lip on those? Okay, because the reason you need to have that lip is to make sure that whatever you put in it isn't going to just flow out on the sides. So, I'm going to do this one with glitter glue. You can put your, sorry.
Zooming in on you.
Okay, can you see?
Yep.
Okay. You can make your own kind of designs however you want to do this.
And you're squirting in resin?
No, this is glitter glue this
glitter
time.
glue.
You can use resin and glitter mixed together. It just kind of depends on what you want to do. The resin is going to take a whole lot longer to set up, so that's something to think about if you use resin. But the resin is going to give it that nice kind of bubbled over. Can you see the bubbled over?
When you're down. See, remember, I'm still zoomed in.
That's
on
right.
that.
Sorry. It just has a nice, just kind of fills it up, makes it all nice and even. I just handed the one to their camera person that we will be using in a few minutes. I'm just finishing. So, let's see here. Let me get this blue just a little bit more. Here, so it'll show up a little better. I'm kind of tapping it to get the bubbles out, but can you still see this one or no? So that you just do your design. I'm going to set this off to the side so it can dry, because as with any kind of glue, it needs to dry. Okay, so we're going to use this green one, and this is a leather lace. That's what I'm going to use to put this one on here. We're going to turn this one into a necklace once we get it. Okay, so here, I'm going to measure out. I'm going to do it about, this will be 12, but I think I'm going to do it about 18 inches. You can always add, what you want or length you want it to be. So use sharp scissors with this, of course. Okay, so now you have your piece of leather, and we're going to put on our pendant at the bottom. Try to make sure your laces are somewhat straight. Not straight, but even. So that way your necklace, whatever, when you get it done, it'll all be even. And this can be, as long or as short as what you want it to be. Okay, so we have your pendant in the middle. We just put a knot to hold it in place. You could leave it like this, but I'm actually going to add a few beads on either side. Use a blue, I guess. Well, no, I'm going to use the clear ones. Put a clear... No. These are more
Green.
Yeah, that's more green. This is more of a tilly color. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see on the other side. I thought that would match better, but it was not going to be so. But, I think I'm going to use those instead. These are kind of a green and blues, and kind of gives it a smoky. And then you use a white one that's kind of a pearly kind of color. Block that back. Okay, so we'll put the green on. This little end is not wanting to. Kind of have to make sure you keep a nice neat end so you can actually thread your beads in there. It makes it easier that way. Okay, there's on one side. These on the other side. And I don't think this pair of scissors is as sharp as what I thought they were, because when you're cutting this leather, you need to make sure it's not pinching it or anything, to make sure you have a smooth end to lace through your beads. Okay, so now we have the beads on either side. Just going to do a small knot down here again to keep everything in place, and you don't want it moving all around if possible. Okay, let's got one on that side. Like I said, you want to make sure you get this as close as you can down here to your beads. Okay, so now we have a knot on either side. Cameraman, see that okay?
Let me zoom in for a second.
Mm-hmm.
Hold it. Okay, I'm zooming out.
Okay, and then we're just going to put a small knot on the end here. You could always put a little lobster claw on it and a lobster claw fastener like this, but a smaller version, on the back, and do a little loop. Put an O-ring on there so you could do it that way to finish it off. I'm just going to put this in a knot here. And there you have your necklace.
Why'd you put that?
Because it's not going to go over my curls.
Ah, okay.
I should have put a clip on it. I just didn't think about the fact that I have lots of curls, and these curls don't go through little holes. So before I could wear it, I would have to make it longer or put the O-ring and lobster claw on it. But I think we're going to say goodbye for this week. Y'all have a great rest of your week. If you have questions, y'all can email us or send us a comment. We'll talk to you later.